let's look at these JAMB past questions, Physics 2018, question number 32. Which of the following diagrams represent correctly an NPN transistor? Which of the following diagrams represent an NPN transistor? Is it A, as is drawn here, or B, C, or D? Now, for us to be able to appreciate this very well, we need to make a sketch of the diagram of NPN transistor. Now, the NPN transistor has the following diagram. You have this, and you have this, then you have this, then all of it encircled. Then here you have your A, B, and C. So this is the diagram of NPN transistor. So which of the following is very close to what we have here? This is actually E. So you can see that the major difference in all these is this movement going from C up, and that is what we have here. There's actually a movement here going from C up. We have B, we have E. So this makes D the answer. For this number C, we have the movement this side. For this, you have it this side, but going in opposite direction. Also here, you have it this side. So D is the right answer from the sketch that is done here, and that is why we picked option D, because this is the diagram of NPN transistor. Thank you.